In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an app from a Slack workspace, step by step. If you've installed an app that you no longer need, or you want to clean up unused integrations in your Slack workspace, this guide will walk you through the exact process. This works for Slack workspace admins and owners, and it only takes a couple of minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged in to the workspace where the app is installed. You'll want to be on the Slack homepage or any channel within that workspace. Once you're there, look at the left-hand sidebar and hover over the Admin button. This option is usually only visible if you have admin or owner permissions, so if you don't see it, you may need to ask your workspace owner for access. When you hover over the Admin button, a menu will appear. From this menu, click on Apps and Workflows. This will take you to the section where Slack manages all installed apps, integrations, and automated workflows for your workspace. This is where you can review what apps are connected and decide which ones to keep or remove. After clicking Apps and Workflows, you'll be taken to the Installed Apps page. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps currently connected to your Slack workspace. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific app you want to delete. Once you've located the app, look to the right side of its name and click on the three dots next to it. These three dots open additional options for managing that app. From the menu that appears, click on Uninstall. Slack will then show you a confirmation window to make sure you really want to remove the app from the workspace. This step is important because uninstalling an app can stop automations, remove bot access, and disconnect any linked services associated with that app. To finish the process, click Uninstall again in the confirmation dialog. Slack will now remove the app from your workspace. Once the uninstall is complete, the app will no longer appear in your installed apps list, and it will no longer have access to your channels, messages, or data. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an app from your Slack workspace. This is a great way to keep your workspace clean, organized, and secure by removing apps you no longer use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.